Imagine walking into an Apple store, looking at a device that costs less than a pair of high-end sneakers, only to realize it has the exact same heart and brain as the most expensive iPhone on the shelf. For over a decade, Apple has followed a very specific, very predictable formula with their entry-level iPads. They give us the leftovers, the older chips, the dated designs, and just enough features to make us consider upgrading to the Air or the Pro. But as we sit here in 2026, the game has officially changed. The upcoming iPad 12th generation isn't just a spec bump. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. It is a strategic pivot that might actually make the iPad Air irrelevant. If the latest leaks from the supply chain are even half true, Apple is about to release a budget beast that breaks every rule in their playbook. Today, we are diving deep into the shadows of Cupertino. We're talking about a massive processor jump that shouldn't exist, a memory upgrade that Apple has fought against for years, and a release window that is much closer than you think. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why you should stop yourself from buying any iPad right now, and why this 12th gen model is the most dangerous device Apple has ever built for its own profit margins. The death of the budget stigma. For years, the base model iPad was the student tablet. It was the mom and dad tablet. It was reliable, sure, but it was never exciting. It was always 2 steps behind the cutting edge. When the iPad 10th gen finally brought the modern design, Apple kept it held back with the A14 chip. When the 11th gen arrived, it felt like a placeholder. But 2026 is the year of artificial intelligence. And AI changes everything. Apple is currently in a desperate race. They've marketed Apple Intelligence as the future of their ecosystem, but there's a massive problem. Most of their existing budget devices can't run it. The hardware requirements for on-device AI are brutal. You need massive neural processing power and, more importantly, you need RAM. This brings us to the first bombshell leak about the iPad 12. Multiple sources, including code found in early iPadOS 26 builds, point to a jump that is practically unheard of in Apple's history. We aren't getting a 2-year-old chip. Rumors are swirling that the iPad 12 will feature the A19 chip. Let that sink in. The A19 is the same silicon expected to power the flagship iPhone 17 series. Why would Apple do this? Why give the cheapest tablet their most powerful consumer chip? The answer is simple: survival. If the base iPad can't run Apple's new AI features, the base iPad becomes a legacy product overnight. To keep the entry-level market alive, Apple has been forced to over-deliver. This chip is built on TSMC's advanced 3-nanometer process, which means more than just speed. It means efficiency that will likely push the battery life of this device past anything we've seen in the budget category. The 8 GB threshold, the real reason to wait. If you've ever used a base model iPad for multitasking, you know the refresh struggle. You open a tab in Safari, switch to a PDF, go back to Safari, and boom, the page reloads. That's a RAM limitation. For the longest time, Apple kept the base iPad at 4 GB or 6 GB of RAM. But Apple Intelligence has a floor. It requires